Hello, everyone, and welcome back to MS English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mary.
Hi, Mary. I'm Sarah.
Oh, Sarah, I'm so hungry today. I was thinking about yummy food all morning.
Haha, me too. That's why today's lesson is perfect. Let's talk about restaurants.
In today's episode, I and Sarah will teach you how to order food at a restaurant. You will learn step by step, useful phrases to start your order, how to ask about the menu, role play like a real customer, listen and repeat key sentences. Feel confident ordering anywhere.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Miss English Podcast, and share with friends.
Okay, friends, today we're learning how to order food at a restaurant. It's super easy, you know? Restaurants are fun places, good food, nice waiters, but sometimes speaking English there feels scary. Don't worry, you can do it. We'll go step by step. First, let's learn some basic phrases. Yeah, when you sit down, the waiter says, "Hello, what can I get you?" You say, "Hello, can I see the menu, please?" Repeat after me. Can I see the menu, please? Good job! Say it again. Can I see the menu, please? Great. Now look at the menu. You see burgers, pasta, yum. To ask about food, say, "What's in the pasta?" Or, "Is this spicy?" Let's practice. Sarah, you be the waiter.
Hello, what can I get you?
Hello, can I see the menu, please? Here it is.
Anything you like?
What's in the pasta? Is it spicy?
No, it's creamy with cheese. Very good.
Perfect. I'll have the pasta, please. And a glass of water.
Okay, coming right up. See? So natural.
That was fun. Now repeat those key phrases 3 times with us. First, can I see the menu, please? Pause. Good. Second, what's in the pasta? Pause. Awesome. Third, I'll have the pasta, please. And at thank you. Pause. You're a pro.
Well, actually, what if you want to change something? Say, can I have it without onions? Or no ice, please. Super polite. Let's do another role play. Mary, you order a burger this time.
Okay. Hi, can I see the menu?
Sure, here.
What's in the burger? Can I have it medium?
Yes, with lettuce and tomato. Anything else?
Yes, a Coke. No ice, please. Thank you.
Got it. Yay! Now you try at home. Imagine you're hungry. Say, I'll have the chicken, please.
Great question. What if the restaurant is busy? Just smile and say, "1 minute, please," or "Can you repeat?" Easy, right? Now let's talk about paying. At the end, say, "The bill, please," or "Check, please." In America, it's check. Repeat, "The bill, please." Perfect. Oh, and don't forget polite words. Please and thank you make everyone happy. Like, water, please? Thank you. Let's role play the full order one more time, slow for beginners. Here's our full role play. Hello, welcome. What can I get you? Hi, can I see the menu, please? Pause, repeat together. Here you go. What's in the salad? Is it fresh? Yes, with tomatoes and cucumber. Great. I'll have the salad and chicken. No onions, please. And water.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you. The bill later?
Sure. Woohoo! You did amazing. Practice this every day. Next time you eat out, you'll feel like a star.
Totally. It's not hard, just fun phrases. You can do it. Let's review one more time. Can I see the menu? I'll have, thank you. The bill, please.
So remember, can I see the menu, please? What's in the, I'll have the pasta, thank you. The bill, please. Practice at home. Say them loud.
Yes, repeat now. My favorite food is pizza. So cheesy and yummy. What's yours, Sarah? Mine is pasta, always. What's yours, everyone? Tell us. Thank you for listening. Comment below, what's your favorite food to order? Or what phrase will you practice? Subscribe, like, share, visit our YouTube channel.
Bye for now. See you next time.